Pa.
Ayun eh.
Trisha's first time here is businessy and she's happy and excited. And my mama is crying because it's her first time at 64. Go, Chloe, put the headband to Mimi. There you go. Yay!
Thank you, Lord.